2 nails in here. I don't know if I'm gonna get these nails out. 3 nails. 1, 2, 3. They down in there. Both of these tires have nails in them. They got slow leaks. Bam. There it is. Alright, that's the screw out. Look what I got out of that tire. It was in my tire.
It was in the tire?
Yeah. What I want you to see is right rear tire is at 38. It's 10:31 at night. We're gonna see what it is in the morning. Both of those tires, they need to be plugged. They both got nails in them. So these are the tools we're working with today. First, we got the jack, of course. Then we got a 19mm socket with an extension, Milwaukee impact driver. We also have a breaker bar to break the lugs loose. And then finally, we have the Walmart Deluxe Tire Plug Kit. So the plan here is to rotate the tires, put the ones on the front on the back and vice versa. The ones on the back got a little more meat on them. That's going to keep me going until I decide to replace all 4 tires. But first, we got to plug them. There's a nail. That's one. That looks like a rock or something. Both of these tires have nails in them. They got slow leaks. And bam, there it is. There it is. So I'm gonna try this. Pull that out with this, see if that works. Yeah. Come on out, screw. All right, got the screw out. Look what I got out of that tire. It was in my tire.
It was in the tire?
Yeah. So in this kit comes some plugs, a plunger to stick the plug through. This is a reamer tool, which I'm about to use right now. Gotta fight against the air pressure. There we go. We just go up and down, up and down. So, thread this through like a needle. Halfway through.
I'm ready, let's play.
And this is what's gonna plug the hole. So, put it with some even pressure. Steady pressure, pushing straight down. Fighting against the air pressure. Press it in there. Once you get it in like that, you yank this part out as fast as you can, and it stays. Now, cut that excess off. That's all I got right now is a razor blade, so I'm gonna use this.
I'm Shadow. I'm not Shadow.
got 2 nails in here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get these nails out. 3 nails. 1, 2, 3, and they down in there.
Oh my god, how are you supposed to get them?
I don't know.
What about this?
I'm just gonna keep putting air in this tire as it goes low until I can take it to a mechanic, a tire shop.
Don't it already have some air?
Huh?
Don't that one already have air?
It's got air, but it's not full.
It's looking like
I'm gonna put the camera. Let's check the vehicle info. We need to add air to that front tire. It's at 29, and I'm gonna put some in that rear one to top it off to 36. What I got here is this tire inflator, and it's already preset. So for a car, it's preset to 36, 32 for a motorbike, 30 for a regular bike, and 9 pounds per square inch for a ball. So I'm gonna set it to 40. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Yes. Okay. This one's at 19. I'm gonna set it to 40. They said the pressure was 19 in the front, but I don't know if you noticed, but even though I swapped the tires around, it's still registering as rear. Now it's registering as low. Even though I put it on the front, it's still registering as the rear tire. I'm gonna have to figure out how to change it in the system. So here we go. All 4 tires at the recommended pressure of 36 or higher. Can't get it perfect, but that's close enough. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. My head is smoking because it's 25 degrees out here and I'm sweating. But that's it for that video. Thanks for watching.
my turn. Hi.
You recording right now?
Hello. I'm gonna go get something. Let me go get something. Keep that right there.
Make sure you can see it. See yourself on the screen.
Pansetta, you're rocking the vibe.
Here, look, do it like this.